stylers and catchy bays, it's your girl Reyna Ray, and today's video is going to be a DIY on how to get fishnet heels. This is such a cute little trend or whatever, so I decided to, you know, film it. Like, you know, let me just DIY it. And do you like my hat to the back, because I don't give a crap. So I decided to do this look because it has been highly requested. Many of you have been asking me, like, do some more DIYs. And I said, what is a better DIY than to do this? I feel so good, you know, creating this video. I am back on my DIY hypes, and it feels so good. So, what I want you all to do, if you recreate this look, make sure you tag me on Instagram at Reyna Ray Style, just so I can see everything. The fishnet heels are like literally taking over, and I love them. With these particular heels, you can wear so many different looks with these. You can wear denim, skirts. Well, I wouldn't really say skirts right now because we're in winter, so you could do denim, you could do dresses, like to holiday parties. You could just have so much fun with these heels, and I just think they're like the perfect edge, and they're super cute, and I'm obsessing over them. Also, could we get into how winter is here? I love this time of year, and that's generally when I go brown on the tips of my hair. So let me know how you all feel about winter. I love winter oh so much, and I just want to stay in winter. It feels good. Okay, so let's get into the video because it is necessary to get this look. So some things that you're going to need to get started is fishnet stockings, scissors, hot glue gun, baby, and clear heels, which I didn't show, but you'll see later on in the clip. All right, so now we're going to just get started by opening up our package, our stockings, and we're going to pull them out, remove the little cardboard that's inside, but keep it because you're going to need it later on, and you'll see why. So now these are the fishnet stockings, straightforward, and we're going to thread our hand through just to, like, you know, separate fishnets because they tend to stick together. And I'm just doing the same thing for the other foot. And yeah, so we're going to use our hand as a measurement for our socks, our fishnet socks. So I'm going to cut it about there, and it's so easy to use your hand because it helps, you know, it helps you to see how much you need to cut. So basically, I'm going to go in and I'm going to do a double fold. It's like a little mini cuff, and you want the cuff to match up with the other foot as well, so it'll be even. So do the same thing for the other one. And it's that simple. So now we're going to just match them up just to make sure they match, and I'm just going in and fixing my little cuff a little more just so it'd be more precise. Those of you who do not want to use a hot glue gun, you can always sew the fishnet socks. I generally always sew everything. No, we're gonna put this cardboard in here first because you do not want the glue to seep through and stick to the other side because it'll close it shut. We're going to use this cardboard to make it easy to put the hot glue on, and just put a little bit because you don't need much, and it's going to stay sealed because it's that strong. Your socks should look like this. Love them. And then you're going to just get your heels of your choice, and you're going to just, you know, put your fishnet stockings in your heels, and you're all done. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. But also stay tuned for the OOTD.